All right, Chapter 7, review, page 639, number 45. We've got a V, which is negative 2, comma 5, and we've got a W, which is 5, comma 4, and we're trying to find the projection of V onto W. So the projection of V onto W has a couple formulas. The easiest is V dot W over W magnitude. So here's how you can remember this equation. If you're doing a projection of one onto the other, you always do a dot product of the two vectors on top. And then whatever you're projecting onto, so this little w, that's what we need the magnitude of. Whatever we're projecting onto is the magnitude. So this literally is the projection of V onto W. So V dot W is negative 2 times 5 plus 5 times 4, negative 10 plus 20, we get 10. And W magnitude is, let's see, the square root of 25 plus 16, so the square root of 41. So we can just do 10 divided by the square root of 41. And 1.56.
What does that number mean?
Yeah, good question. So you could say it's 10 over square root of 41, or approximately 1.56. So what the heck did we just find? We just did a formula, and we don't even know what it was, right? That's basically what people are going to do a lot of the time. So if you look at the graphical representation, why it's important to know the projection. V is negative 2, 5. Here's my V. And W is 5, 4. And we're projecting V onto W. So how much of V is contributing to W? Well, not much. There's not much. Like if this was an airplane and this was the wind, is the wind helping us? But it's not helping us a lot. Why only a little bit? Because if I do the drop down a perpendicular right here, this is how much of V is contributing to W? This much. Okay, so it's as if there was a 1.56 mile per hour wind in the same direction as W. That's how much it's contributing. If they're perpendicular or orthogonal, how much, what's the projection of V onto W? If they're orthogonal?
0.
0. Because there is nothing contributing in that direction. So this is pretty close to orthogonal, so that's why the answer is quite small. So this could be found, if you don't remember the equation, you could use trig to figure this out.